Hello and welcome to this short video on the chain rule. Now when will you use the chain rule? Well, you'll use it if you have a function within a function. So that would look like this. So the function dx is embedded within the function f. We can rewrite this if we substitute the function gx with the letter u. So it will become f of u, where u is g of x. Now with that in mind, I'm just going to write down the chain rule itself. The chain rule states that df over dx is given by df over du times by du over dx. Just so you can see how this works, I'm going to do a few examples. This example, y is equal to cos x squared. I'm going to rewrite this as cos u, where u is x squared. Now from the chain rule, to be able to differentiate this, we need df over du, which is the differential of cos u, which cos goes to minus sine, which then if we replace u in there, it becomes minus sine to the x squared. Now du by dx is simple. You just differentiate u as x squared, which becomes 2x. Therefore, to get the full differential, we need to times df over du by dx. So the final answer will become minus 2x sine x squared. There you go. We'll do another example. Y is sine to the x cubed. Like we did before, I'm going to rewrite this as sine u, where u is x cubed. So again, df by du, we need to differentiate sine u. Sine goes to cos, and when we replace the u, we get cos to x cubed. Now we differentiate u is x cubed, and that becomes 3x squared. And again, to get the full differential, we need to times these together. So the full answer is 3x squared cos x cubed. We'll do one more example. In this example, y is equal to 1 plus cos x, all to the power of a half. Now to rewrite this, I'm going to make it u to the half, where u is 1 plus cos x. To find df by du, you need to differentiate u to the half. So this will become half u to the minus half, which then when we replace u, become half minus half. There we go. Du by dx, differentiate u. So 1 just goes to 0 because it's constant, and cos will go to minus sine. Like before, to get the final answer, we need to times these together to get the answer. Therefore, our full answer becomes this. Now I'm going to simplify it further, and I'm just going to take the 1 plus cos x to the minus half to the bottom. And there you go, there's our answer. This has been a short video on the chain rule, and I hope this helps.